It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 10th of August. I'm Michael Groff. And here we go again. Another week of abnormally dry and hot conditions across the metro. Temperatures may actually get even warmer as we head toward the weekend, approaching record levels potentially, as this summer without a monsoon rolls on. Let's get into it. Yesterday, 112 degrees the afternoon high, and with that, that's now 34 days of a high temperature of 110 degrees plus, and that breaks the old all-time record of 33 days back in 2011. The morning low was 84, the normal high 105, the normal low 83. And outside now here at 8:15 a.m., some high clouds around, a few puffy cumulus out there as well. Looking at 90 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 43, relative humidity 20%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area right now, 67 the cool spot at Fort McDowell, but most locations are in the low 80s to low 90s. Satellite picture across the southwest. Yes, there's a few high clouds around central and eastern Arizona, but mostly clear skies will continue as high pressure remains the dominant weather feature for the foreseeable future. No sign of any monsoon moisture, at least none of any significance making its way into the state. Here's the watch warning map. Fire danger continues to be the big story out here in the west. We also have an excessive heat warning in effect for the valley until 8 p.m. tonight, and then an excessive heat watch from 10 a.m. Wednesday through 8 p.m. Sunday. Elsewhere across the country, a few severe thunderstorm watches in effect for parts of Iowa and some of the adjacent states, but really not a whole lot of high impact events ongoing right now. Convective outlook for today, the enhanced risk of severe storms from eastern Iowa over towards Chicago, with the slight risk for a good portion of the Midwest. And precipitation for the next 7 days. No rain in the valley, basically nothing statewide. You wouldn't know it, but this is ordinarily the heart of the monsoon. It's the wettest time of the year here in Arizona, but not the case right now, and we'll talk about why that is as we look at modeling. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. We have high pressure here across the southwest, blocking the monsoon flow from making any progress here into the state. We do have a little tropical system there well south of the Baja, but that's not going to affect us in any meaningful way. So down at the surface, some high clouds around this morning, otherwise mostly sunny through the day. Highs 109 to 112. Tonight, the skies are mostly clear. The air is fairly dry, although, as you'll see here on the 3-kilometer NAM output, it's got dew points going up into the 70s overnight. I don't think it's going to get that muggy. Could see a little surge of moisture, though. We have overnight lows in the upper 70s to mid 80s, but if we do get a surge of moisture, I would expect lows to be significantly warmer than that. We'll see. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny and hot again. Highs 107 to 110. Now, as we get to the middle part of the week, high pressure expands and just sits right on top of us. Upper heights, 595 to 596 decameters or so. And that represents the upper 95th percentile of climatology. So you know it's just going to be roasting. High temperatures 109 to 112 Wednesday, 111 to 114 Thursday, and 111 to 115 Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And you do see on these maps, the GFS continues to paint in some widely scattered thunderstorms over eastern Arizona on any given day. But I think that threat is very minimal given the presence of high pressure right overhead. Still can't completely rule it out. A little bit of moisture might get drawn in here from time to time, but I don't think that's going to have much of an impact on our high temperatures here in the valley, if any at all. Here we go to a week from today. This is Monday the 17th, 594 ridge sitting right on top of us, and that just doesn't allow any significant monsoon moisture in. You know the story by now. High temperatures still 110 to 113, maybe hotter than that, especially because the air is just so dry and there's not much soil moisture, so high temperatures are likely to stay above model guidance output. And then let's go out 10 days. This is the end of the period, Wednesday the 19th. 591 flat ridge sitting right on top of us. Of note here, the GFS has a tropical system down there over southern Baja trying to creep up into the Sea of Cortez. If that happens, it's certainly something worth watching, but with high pressure sitting right on top of us, significant moisture getting in here would still be relatively unlikely. Let's take a look at the precipitation coming off of the European ensemble. The mean is still right around 1/10 of an inch, and many of the members still showing absolutely nothing for the next couple of weeks. Here we go, temperatures off of the national blend of models. we're just going to tack on to that record. I mean, we're going to be well over 40 days of highs 110 plus for this summer, if this is correct, with highs anywhere from 110 to 114 pretty much every day, overnight lows in the 80s to near 90. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there. Stay cool. Drink plenty of water. Watch your kids around the pool. And you guys have yourselves a terrific Monday.